Hello, guys. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, okay. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. I'm so excited it's Friday. Well, how are you guys? No, not here. Where should I put this? Over here, okay. How are you guys? How was your morning? Hello, hello, hello. So quick reminder, today we're gonna finish at 11 and we will switch to NinjaTrader and I'm gonna stream there until 1 p.m. I'm so excited today because I have nails day today. I always super excited when I have like nails day because it looks so bad now. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you? How's your Friday so far? What did you do this morning? Maybe it's evening for you. What did you do all day today? Nails on Fridays, new? Yeah, I keep, when I schedule, I do this like months before my nails day. I look at my schedule and see, well, on Monday I can do this day, Tuesday same. So I just pick days that works for me. So I have lots of calls, schedule Zoom meetings as well, like at the middle of the day, usually Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And I'm like, damn, okay, I will not make it. Just came from morning walk. I do morning walk sometimes, but I'm too lazy for this. Today, gold, no. During Asia, I took a trade. I posted executions on Twitter. What's new? Nothing new. Good morning, guys. So what we have today? I don't know, maybe retracement in the long? I don't know. To even walk. I mean, this morning I went outside to drop my kids to school, to summer camp. Then I went back. It was like 8 a.m. I got my breakfast, finished eating my breakfast, and I'm here now. So I don't have time. I need to wake up like, I don't know, like at 5 a.m. Michael, you want to know new lows of the week? Damn. I mean, come on. It's a bit opposite to what I expect to get. A bit higher, please. Let's hit new high of the week first, then I will short. Without this, no thank you. We'll stay away. Well. Monday high of the week so far. Historically, that's not great picture. Usually we get in Wednesday low or high of the week, preferably Tuesday low or high of the week, and Friday creates high or low of the week. At this point, we get in TGIF. So maybe we're gonna bounce on Q or ES to new high of the week. We will short TGIF, but I don't know. I'm willing to be bullish today, but maybe something will change. Replace. What? Okay. Consistent and profitable. Almost, I usually say 2.5 years, but I would say 3 years. Retracement to previous daily low level, then we will see. I know, guys, what I expect to get. Ideally high of the week first, then TGF. So, you know, Michael, there is chance to bounce to 76.10 at least on ES. Let me check SPX. I mean, I don't see anything important on SPX as well. It can be buy side, which is not important at this point, to be honest. At 75.51. But it's like 7 points away, because next key level on SPX is gonna be gap from June 4th at 75.84. Small chance to hit this level. So maybe we're gonna get new high of the week today and TJF right after this, so we can short TJF. I kind of bullish right now as well. I know. Would try to see something like, it's hourly chart, right? Maybe this one and TJF. I know, we will see, guys. Hard to say for now. Let me check current weekly candle. I know what should happen to drop to a new low of the week, to be honest. Look at this week here. Definitely it looks like manipulation. Ideally, we need to close bullish. But once again, maybe something will change and I will say, no, it's gonna be like short 100%. Once again, yeah, maybe I will change my mind. Not now, I guess. Kind of decoupled market, right? Look how bearish on forward chart and Q, but look at ES at this point. See this? What the heck? I don't consider gamma levels. I used to use TradeZella levels, its options levels, as well as I could see dark pools levels, dark pool levels, gamma levels, like different kind of levels for options. But it was like 2 years ago. I mean, it was helpful, but I wasn't able to trade over this level. It just was key level for me, where I could expect reaction. So I stopped paying for this subscription, like almost 2 years ago, TradeZella, and I don't use this anymore. I mean, data definitely can be helpful, but I didn't see this. It didn't work for me at all. So I didn't see any setups, trades of these levels. I mean, nice key levels, but once again, I didn't see any interest of these levels. Oh, not trades. No. I usually don't trade pre-market. Yep, we plan the trade, trade the plan. Exactly right. 75.61. Technically, yes, because look how bullish he is on forward chart. I mean, it's chop, but overall. I mean, like, seriously. I was able to see big boys levels. So, you can see that I drew on NQ. Probably I want to see higher of the week than TGIF. Guys, let's try to react, okay? Because so hard to say. Why I say it's hard to say? Because of SPX. Looking at this level here, we're not gonna have a gap. It's already bad signal by default when we don't have gaps. Usually when we don't have RTH gap on SPX, this means most likely first 30 minutes or 45 minutes gonna be just chop. Guys, remind me not to take any trades first 40 minutes, okay? If you're not gonna have gap, just Dasha. Please, it's Friday, don't destroy your day. Guys, if I will decide to take any trades first 40 minutes after market open, say, Dasha, stop. Dasha, think twice. You don't want to do this, okay? Just remind me if I say I want to trade a long or short. Just say, Dasha, stop. Not that fast. Don't make stupid mistakes. Try to learn from your mistakes. English trading, I would say best trades usually occurs between 10 and 11. That's why ICT calls this hour as silver bullet hour. But I'm talking about Friday, and I'm not really Friday. I'm talking about SPX now. We're not gonna have a gap, which is bad. Historically, when we don't have gap, morning starts with just absolutely insane chop. I mean, we will see today, but no, please remind me, at least remind me, like, Dasha, stop. You will not listen. That's funny, actually, I like it. A trading model on my YouTube, I'm gonna send link now. By the way, guys, did you see Alpha Futures? They called me yesterday and said, we're gonna give you special discount. 50% off on all accounts. 50% off on Alpha Futures on all accounts. I believe it's just for a couple of days. Talking about my model, it's here. And I was like, nice, I want to get 50% off as well, but I cannot use my code to buy Alpha Futures. I believe it's just flash sale for a couple of days, maybe until the end of this week. But 50% off works for any account. Not for me. I was so excited. Now I have 35% off for me personally. You know, Pasha, don't blame any prop firm, because when you sign contract, so once you get funded account, you sign the contract, and most prop firms has like small letters phrase, you cannot talk shit about them. So technically you violated rules. He can use my code. I believe he cannot use my code, if I'm mistaken. Amelia, did I miss something? What happened? Which post you saw? Yeah, I mean, I know. Why Alpha Futures is terrible? So I had experience with them before. It wasn't bad. I trade just on one monitor, guys. I have total 4 monitors, but I don't use them for my trading. The problem with ES and NQ now, ENQ looks more bullish. No, NQ looks more bearish, while ES looks more bullish. Which means, damn, it's kind of tricky. Hello guys, good morning. Good morning, guys, good morning. COT, I never ever used it before. I moved like 6 weeks ago. Yeah, 6 weeks ago. It was May... No, it was May 25, I guess. Like, yeah, 6 weeks ago. So let's see if we're gonna get new high of the week today, guys. Good morning, if you just joined. So I'm gonna repeat my plan. I want to see new high of the week and TGIF. Why TPT, they're not accepting new registrations? That's... No, that's strange. Maybe you already have an active account with them. So guys, on ES, I know, like, we're close to this level. I'm looking for 76.10. And on NQ, I'm looking for a new high of the week. So maybe the test of 30,100. Seriously, I never ever use COT data, so I have no idea how it's gonna help me. But I saw ICT talk about this like millions years ago. Oh, this week wasn't easy. Why? Because I absolutely hated this week, this 99% retracements. What? Wow. Well, I will share my experience with alpha futures, guys. I mean, I already had experience before, but I don't have accounts anymore. I blew them. Need to get new funded in another payout with them. What? That's wild shit. Well, I'm gonna read this post. That's actually wild. Anyway, let's see, guys. I'm looking for pullback. Maybe I'm gonna look for longs from 29,700 around so. Then long to new high of the week and then TGF. Maybe I'm gonna look for this one. Well, guys, if you just joined, what is your bias for the day? What is your bias for the day? What we're gonna trade today? Maybe you're looking for, I know, like oil, maybe gold, maybe something else, but not indices. Share with me. I'm interested to see in your bias because I'm kind of confused. In my opinion, NQ looks a bit more bearish compared to ES, which makes me question longs and shorts at the same time. So we will see. Fine to stay. I don't trade with my funded futures. Top 3 prop firms gonna be Lucid, TradingView, Take Profit Trader. Top 3 and that's it. Lucid, TradingView, Take Profit Trader. Once again, Lucid, TradingView, Take Profit Trader. Way to go. Yeah, I saw Apex lowered their activation fee. So technically 50k account right now is around like $70. Damn, that's so good. Probably I'm gonna look for longs from 700, 750, 650 as well on NQ to new high of the week. But I don't know, like it's really questionable because look at ES, look at NQ, kind of not in sync. But I want to see TGF. Let's just imagine we got new high of the week on ES and Q failed to offer high of the week. Will it be enough for me to consider it as SMT? Yes, it will. At this point, I'm gonna wait for a nice shift in structure on 15-minute chart and I will short. So I'm not gonna wait for NQ to hit high of the week. If ES gonna like bounce right above high of the week, it will hit 76.10 and let's say NQ just staying inside the chop, I will short. It will be enough for me to say, it is SMT. Yes, I know, but it's not issue for me. I still don't understand why people so complaining about intraday trading drawdown. I mean, if you fall portion this after you getting like funded account with TPT, I mean, I understand at this point. But if you like take the slow, with proper risk management, intraday trading drawdown should not be even like issue for you. That's why I never understood this. Personally, I never ever. I was trading with Apex, I still trade with Apex, I was trading with TPT, I still trading with TPT. Never ever, like ever, I had any, like a single issue with intraday trading drawdown. So, I always go with intraday trading drawdown. Have you tried before? What? I'm funded now with, like, I actively trade with Apex, Lucid, Tradify, Take Profit Trader. I actively trade with these accounts. And I have different evaluation accounts, like 8 futures. I have like 1 alpha futures now. I'm trying funded seeds. Did I say this right? I hope so. And I have legends, but I will do giveaway with legends. Before the buffer. On 50k or 150k account? 50k account, $250 before once you below the buffer. 150k account, okay, 250. Funded next. So I didn't trade them for a long time, but they today launched new plan, which was like, damn, it's so good because they now offer daily payouts on their rapid plan. So that account was accounts were closed because of inactivity. I just didn't trade with them because I shifted my focus on other platforms. And I'm gonna probably buy some new evals. They're running new sales there on funded next futures. Rapid daily sounds good. FFF. Lots of people keep saying Dasha try this. Never tried. But guys, I added new prop firm. It calls funded seeds. I will keep you updated, okay? Funded Futures family. Honestly, Funded Futures family, I was looking at their plans before, like, I guess it was like 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. They have solid plans. But I will try funded seeds, guys. I will keep you updated with this, okay? My experience. But I saw lots of good reviews about this prop firm. But I will keep you updated, okay? I will do alpha futures accounts, but not today. Yesterday I promised to do TPT. Next week I will do legends. Need to do something new. We'll do legends. Let's see if I can do alpha futures. Yeah, I heard about them as well, so I got the evals. Different, by the way, plans. Let's see how it goes. No, it was different one. Funded Futures family, it's... No, they like here for 2 years, they good. They have good plans. Closed fast track trading, FTT, I guess it was. Mark out the retracement expansion high and low. What? Yeah, they allowed up to 20 accounts as well, same as Apex. They were trying to do Apex, but something went wrong. You talking about this? High and low. It was funny, to be honest. Guys, I don't have problem with TopStep. Only problem is their platform. I don't want to trade on different platforms. I don't want to trade in different platforms, so if TopStep will add trader weight, I will back to TopStep as well. Please add trader weight. Please. My plan is shown on my screen. I want to see TJF today. Monitor size. So guys, I use only one monitor for trading. It's 49 inches. Yeah, I saw this one futures. I never heard about it. I was like, damn, something interesting. It's new. Yeah, I saw that. Yes, it was yesterday, right? Yeah, I saw that. Guys, don't forget to click the like button, share the stream, and subscribe as always. Oh, it's been a year. Trust me. I know you see results on Twitter, in other words, X, when people like taking payouts after trading for like months or 2 months. Don't try to compare yourself with those traders. For some people, it takes 3 years. If I'm not mistaken, for Jade Cup, it took like more than 10 years to be consistently profitable. We all have different paths, right? Journey. So don't try to compare yourself with other traders. You will make it. Just take your time. It's same example. I did talk about this long time ago. My kids learned how to walk when Nathan was 6 months, Daniel was 7 months. They started walking. But I know other kids who started walking when they were like 12 months, 14 months, 15 months. We all have different like journey, right? Don't try to. That's extremely early. Yes. Yes. Nathan started when he was 6.5. Daniel started when he was 7 months. Like almost 8, but 7. Still 7. This is fast, but once again, I know other kids who like also started walking same age. Other kids started walking when they were like, I don't know, like 12 months. 7, 8. See, I mean like 7, 8 months. See, like we're all different. With 12. I don't know. Your boy, see, 8 months. We're all different. Yeah, we were surprised to see Nathan at 6 months, but yeah, we were like, is it normal? We went to the doctor. She said like, it's fine. It's normal. Nine months. See? My mom says we started walking after 12 months. So it's fine. I have 2 boys. Yeah, 6.5 months. Like almost 7 months. Daniel almost 8 months. I'm from Belarus, guys. I don't live in Belarus. I moved 10 years ago from Belarus. I live in the US, guys. I don't have CFD account. I believe I can have CFD. Not I believe, I know I can have CFD, but I trade with futures prop firms. So I started my 28 years old journey. So unfortunately, my birthday was 2 days ago. So yeah, it is what it is. I said 28. So nice bounce higher. Honestly, want to see sweep of this low first. We will see. Hello, Sean. I don't have solid plan for today. I'm gonna be honest with you. So I'm looking for probably retracement down on both ES and NQs and high of the week. So top highest level on ES I anticipate for today is 76.10. It's just for now. Maybe something will change. And then I want to see 20% retracement. We call this TGIF. So guys, don't ask me about bias. I'm really not sure. Hello, good morning, guys. Good morning. I don't know, guys, how you trade London, honestly. How you trade London? Amelia, it's enough, right? Get evaluation, trade evaluation. Promise me you're not gonna touch your funded, right? You're not gonna touch your funded, right? It's Friday, you don't want to destroy your weekend. Seems like we're never going to get the tracement in the Ясненький, which is by the way okay. Friday only personal account day. I mean, guys, we will see what I'm gonna trade today. Hope to kill this, but I'm gonna be patient. Full port? No. So I started with small caps. Most of us started with small caps. I remember the only course I ever bought, it was Video trading course or Video trader course. Don't remember for sure the name of this. It was damn super expensive. And at that moment we didn't have lots of money or so. And it was damn super expensive course. And I believe I wasted my money on this, to be honest. But yeah, I bought it was 2021, I guess. I believe so. End of 2021. I think so. It was Video trading course with small caps. They provided like education platform, which is not signals. How to call this? Scanners. And yeah, I was trying to learn. I mean, he gave me like solid base, but I believe I could find this information on YouTube for free, whatever. And it didn't work for me. I remember I was waking up with little kids. I was waking up at 4 a.m., was trying to trade this dumb pre-market. It was just impossible. I was waiting for news, like usual news came out like at 8:30, sometimes at 9 a.m. And you need to be extremely fast to look at scanners and switch on this instrument on your, I don't remember the name of that platform that I was trading. Oh, Thinkorswim. With crazy commissions. I had only personal account, guys. I did not trade demo, so don't repeat this at home. And of course, I was losing money. And I was like, it's not gonna work for me. I really was thinking, guys, trading is just stocks, nothing else. And I was like, so we call this trading, like trading these small caps. Also, we have like large caps or what's the name of this, whatever. And I was like, this is what we call trading. So you need to look at scanners all damn day and you need to be extremely fast to execute this. No, thank you. It's not gonna work for me. Then my husband said, like, you can, I remember that he brought me like my iPad and he said, you can try this one. I was like, what is this? It was ICT 2022 mentorship. It wasn't like full mentorship yet, I believe. He just started posting videos there, like 5 or 7 videos. And I was like, okay, let's try. And I remember like first or second video, I don't remember which one it was. ICT started highlighting fair value gaps. I was like, why you highlighted this box here? What the heck is that? Like, why this box is fair value gap? It took me some time to figure this out. And unfortunately, back 2022, it was really hard to find like information on Google, YouTube, and so on. Because lots of people like were learning ICT as well. And what is breaker block, even fair value gap, it was really hard to find like normal explanation, good explanation of this. So it took me some time. I was rewatching 2022 mentorship around like 5 times. So yeah. I don't mind shorts, guys, but let's see if it's gonna be new high of the week. Oh, yeah, it's okay to ask. My husband trades from time to time, but he's like long-term investor, so he trades options. He holds options for like long time, as well as, look at this ES pump, as well as crypto, blah, blah, blah. He doesn't really trade indices. He had funded accounts, but he didn't trade them for a long time. They closed already a long time ago. So I want to see 76.10 on ES, and I don't mind to see new high of the week on NQ as well. But once again, if it's gonna be SMT, I will be fine with this. He holds some shit coins, Bitcoin, like other ones. Like, I mean, like, it's his investments. It's for kids. Yeah, I still remember. I was trying to figure out, like, what is breaker block. I was trying to Google this. Damn, nothing there. Like, absolutely nothing there. Because in my opinion, I remember when ICT was highlighting breaker block, I was like, damn, why are you highlighting just random candle? No, don't, guys. From my personal experience, if I just decide to start learn ICT, I would never, ever start with 2022 mentorship. Damn, it's so hard for beginners. Start with core content. Shitcoins, comma, Bitcoin. It was 2 different coins. Yeah, for a reason, exactly. For now, my highest level on ES 7610, but on NQ 30,100, so 93 actually. But I don't mind to get new high of the week. It's around like a year from where I started learning ICT and like first funded account. A bit more than 1 year actually. No, guys, jokes aside, I remember Dave when I was watching like 2022 mentorship, I understood nothing. I have no idea how people keep recommending like to watch a 2022 mentorship over the core content. Like, damn, are you crazy? Watch core content then 2022 mentorship. It will be way easier to understand this. First of all, I believe it was like around like a month, 3 weeks or around a month. I don't remember. My very, very first prop I tried was Elite Trader funding. Damn, I don't remember exact name. As it's still here actually. Elite Trader, it was like really long time ago. Then Epics. And I was with Epics like for a long time. I didn't buy any other accounts, only Epics for like a year. Good morning. So we have TJF bucks on ES, but damn, come on, it's not what I want to see. Watch from months 1 to months 12. We got a test of New York midnight open and equilibrium of previous weekly range on NQ price, trying to reject of this level. Chris, relax. Honestly, absolutely amazing reaction here. I kind of feel like it's gonna offer TJF without us. No. In my syllabus that I provided to you guys, it starts with like just introduction, 3 videos of introduction, like what is trading, blah, blah, blah. And then it goes to core content. Watch my syllabus. Let me send link in the chat. Free, by the way. I don't ask you for money or something like that. So many notifications. Guys, if you don't know where to start to learn, if you want to start to learn ICT, don't know where to start, here is a link for you. Yes, exactly. Red line on yes is current high of the week. Current high of the week. Oh, thank you. You took this on evaluation, right, Amelia? You promised me. I did not trade with Forex, but we have options to trade Euro futures as well as British pound. So it calls 6E. So technically I can trade Forex, but it's gonna be on futures. By the way, I still want to see lower on Euro futures. Nothing changed. Like nothing changed. When we analyzed this, who remember? It was a long time ago. I want to see lower. I got it. I got it, Amelia. Okay, taking notes on you. Blueguard, I never traded with them, so cannot talk about them. Good morning, Bella. How are you today? I was trading gold, by the way, last night. I was trying to execute on MGC, but for some magical and stupid reason, my order wasn't placed. Maybe TradingView was lagging yesterday. I have no idea. I was trying to place order on MGC chart. It didn't work for me, so I had to open this chart and trade there. My trades from yesterday. I believe I posted executions on Twitter. This one was done so hard, but 2 micros, fortunately. It's not Niles. You know, I'm having not new, nails day today at 2 p.m. So I'm gonna refresh this because I made them like 5 weeks ago. Damn, it looks so bad. My birthday was good. We took same trade. It was a nice one, actually. This one was super fast. So on ES, we still stand above New York midnight open, which means it's still bullish. But yeah, high five, bro. We took same trades. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I highly recommend to subscribe because in 2 weeks, not next week, in 2 weeks, I'm gonna start, at least we will try to stream Asia sessions from like 8 to 9:30 p.m. I was thinking about this, by the way. We need to stream at 8 so bad because best setups happens after 8. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss Asia sessions as well, Asia streams. But it's gonna be 2 times a week, probably. Yes, NQ is below New York midnight open, bearish. ES is above New York midnight open, damn, it's bullish. We sit in our hand, guys, and wait for setup. We're not in rush, it's only 9:45. Well, listen, let's talk about this. I see lots of, I'm gonna call this hate, about ICT when people say, like, okay, he trades ICT, he's unprofitable. Because I tried to trade ICT before, it didn't work for me. But if it didn't work for me, by default, this means it's not gonna work for everyone because it didn't work for me. So I can say exactly the same for footprint charts. Damn, I spent like months trading footprint charts. I was unprofitable. I spent months trading supply and demand. I was unprofitable. Guys, don't trade this. Like everyone who sells like courses about order flow, supply and demand, scammers. It sounds exactly the same, guys. It sounds exactly the same. I can hate on order flow, footprint charts, supply and demand charts. What else you have? Like whatever strategy it is. I can hate on this as well. Simply because it didn't work for me. Saying like ICT traders are unprofitable, damn, that's even sounds stupid. The problem with ICT concept not equal strategy, not equal model, not equal system. Concept, it's like, I know, like, guys, you're trying to learn any sport. Sport means we can play basketball, football, soccer, hockey, like millions different sports, right? And it's all sport. and we can pick something, right? Same with concept. You can pick something from this and trade this. That's pretty much it. Everything works. That's exactly what I want to see from you guys. Let's see if we're gonna bounce. It's still, by the way, up on NQ. Maybe we're gonna bounce to 30,000 again. Don't tell me this. Don't tell me. I already talked about football and soccer many times. Don't tell me this. White again? You don't like white? You don't like white? I guess yesterday it was different white. Which one actually was yesterday? With Los Angeles here? I don't remember what was yesterday. Yes, Alan, let's go higher to short. TJF. That's my plan. Pasha, that's funny. MXM, how are you? How was your day today? How was your day today? It took me almost 3 years to be profitable, but guys, who are we to give up? We're strong. We stay in this game until we make it. Otherwise, come on. Come on. Slavic people, they don't give up. They don't know this word. Give up? Come on. What are you talking about? Can you speak Russian or English, please? You blew 33 accounts. Man, listen. For 2 years, I blew more than 40 accounts. And it's fine. It's your tuition for your mistakes. It's fine. You pay for university and college as well, unfortunately. Oh, funded. Including 20 Apex accounts. Would like to see higher still. No grinding casino. Yep. Thank you. I'm here to guys to help you. You're here to help me. This is how we build friendly community, right? Love you guys for this. MXM. I guess I'm gonna think what if I want to post more information about futures, especially transition from forex to futures. My bias is to get new high of the week and short TJF. That's my plan. Oh, market wasn't easy since Trump became president again. But once again, it's all about how we manage our risk, right? Thank you. I'm happy to be helpful. Yes, I don't mind to get a new high of the week on NQ as well. So far we have nice SMT, but I believe we need to bounce to 76.10 on ES first. Then let's see if we're gonna get any shift in structure. New video of Daniel from daycare. Okay. I'm gonna watch later. Oh, I read news. Buy the market was easier. I'm not going to argue about this because it was. But once again, ICT said this long time ago, maybe like 2-3 years ago, like you need to adjust yourself to new market conditions. It's not going to be the same all the time. Unfortunately, you need to be flexible and to be able to adjust your strategy as well if you see something changes. Friday trade, I don't know yet, probably new high of the week and we will short to TJF. Maybe. I see nothing good. Can you explain Lumi levels? It's just fun. It's just joke level, but it's just potential order block. So for example, so in order to confirm reversal, we need to get shift in structure, right? I'm just going to give you example. As you can see here, price went, drop here to OT, right? If I want to measure from this low to this high, price went to OT, and we tested this order block. Everyone can see this. Well, how can I make sure it's gonna be continuation higher or continuation lower? So at this point, in order to confirm a reaction from this order block and discount, I want to get another shift in structure, another change in the state of delivery. Change in the state of delivery creates a real OB, which means I know if NQ will close above this level, it will be potential change in the state of delivery. In other words, it can be OB or propulsion block. We call this propulsion block. So if price gonna close above this level, propulsion block is here, which means should I wait for the closure? Ideally, yes. But I can trade, since we retrace to discount and this order block, I can try to scalp long with stop loss at swing low. But since I don't know if it's gonna be order block, propulsion block or not, I will partial here. Because there is big chance to see this level with attempt to offer change in the state of delivery. But we cannot know for sure. So I call this Lumi level, but it's just potential change in the state of delivery. LL. Then I just put like M3, which means time frame. So, and price should go there. Did I answer your question? TJ, yes, we have to enjoy our day. Friday, TJF means like just enjoy your day, please. Same, for example, is here. So as you can see, we got sequence of down close candles here, right? So what else happened? We retraced to 50% of this 4-hour week over here, right? Price closed above this level. So 50% of this week, since it's huge week, is here. I'm gonna highlight for you. Price closed above this level. Can I treat this as high time frame level? Yes, I can. Which means what? If market wants to continue going higher, I want to see displacement above this level. I'm gonna just change color to blue for you to easier to see. So this means it may try to go to this level at 974, and then we will see if it wants to be reversal. At this point, we're gonna get either sweep or minor closure on 4 chart in 4 minutes above this level, or we're gonna displace above this level, confirming continuation higher is coming. So guys, make sense what is Lumi level, and you can call this like LLH4. Make sense? So how you want to trade this? You want to take, partials there. So this level is good for targets, not for entry points, okay? Good for targets, not for entry points. So if I'm in long now, for example, I will consider partials there. Okay, make sense? For example, we have like live example here that we probably want to see this blue level. Okay. If you have any questions, ask again. This blue level looks good to me. Let me actually do this one second. I'm gonna... Oops. Do this. Easier to see level. And for example, now we can see like in real time if it's gonna work. In Russian too. Send me message. I will record voice message. By the way, lots of people who like speak Russian send me Russian messages. I always like reply in Russian or with I send like voice messages. Easier to explain. No, I can't. That's funny. Super choppy here. Once again, I expected to get this kind of chop because of SPX. We barely got the gap. It's already like, you know, maybe it's gonna be choppy. And it's choppy here on 2-minute chart. Gonna keep waiting. Nicholas, I have a question for you. Were you part of my Discord like long time ago in 2024? I believe your name looks familiar to me. I don't have the Discord anymore, but I had. Interesting. Your name looks familiar. I saw this somewhere. But happy to see you here. I want to see guys shorts. I want to see TJF, but please let's give us obvious structure for this. I want to see probably this level first. Still kind of stuck at daily open, New York midnight open and equilibrium of previous victory range. In my opinion, not really tradable yet. By the way, Daniel, send me a message today, okay? After stream. Don't forget. Okay? Wanted to remind you yesterday, but I forgot as well. Can you send me a message after stream? I didn't... Why don't have Discord anymore? Just it takes so much time for me. I used to have paid Discord, but I stopped doing this once again because it takes so much energy and time. Let me find something. July 7. Hey Daniel, don't forget. Yeah, I have free Discord. I used to have paid Discord. I stopped doing this long time ago. Yeah, guys, so many scammers in Discord. Like, what the why? Key level. Taking notes, guys, sorry. 8 fake Lumi accounts. Guys, fake Lumi accounts send me messages as well. That's insane. Let's see if our Lumi level gonna work today. It worked yesterday. That's insane, right? And like, I was actually chatting with this guy. hello, hello, and it was like fine. No one even noticed this. I can actually try to find. Maybe it was blocked, but I will try to find it. I will post a screenshot later in Discord, but it was damn so funny. $76.10 on yes, please. I mean, I usually don't send messages in Discord unless like you want account. I cannot like find. I cannot just like I cannot find your email, for example. But I know like you have. I have Discord and you are there. I can send you account. I can send you message in this Discord through. I mean, I can send you account through Discord. But yeah, usually I don't send messages in Discord. I mean, I don't know what to send, to be honest. I can say like, hello, how are you? But guys, it looks like a scam, right? And I don't like when people send me messages in Instagram, Discord, and Twitter saying hello. Nothing else. Like, hello. I always say hello on streams. Like, hello, how are you guys? When someone send me a message in Discord, Instagram, Twitter, hello, and that's it. I don't like to respond, guys. We're just wasting our life on this. Like, hello, hi, hey. That's it, nothing else. Like, why are you doing this? Why? MMXM knows. You don't like Russian accent? I don't know how I'm supposed to live with this information. Now, I mean, I can say sorry, but it's not sorry. I trade futures only, guys. It's like, I believe it's Russian accent simply because I don't speak Belarusian. When we're gonna short, let's see if we're gonna get clear structure for this. Still, like one more push higher, 3-minute OB, 5-minute OB, let's try to short CJF. Super tricky now. But once again, it was like, okay, simply because we didn't have like large gap on SPX. I will say like I will remind you, okay? I don't need to say this now. Yeah, guys, you know, like I'm okay with hate on internet. I don't take this personal anymore. It's fine. Yeah, I never say sorry for this. It was a joke. So plan remains the same. I want to see just push higher than short. For TJF short will be nice to see. I have video about top-down analysis. Go on my YouTube, I believe it calls top-down analysis. Or go on my Twitter, click highlights, and find PDF there, 9 lessons. It also calls top-down analysis. That's funny. Belarusians say like church. What's the difference? Gold right now, I don't like it. Just chop. Keep waiting, guys. Looks horrible. Trading, you're funny. Are you sure you're ready to live with my sister? Are you sure? You're ready for this? We are twins? Reminder. By the way, where's the picture? I put this back yesterday? Not sure. See how we stuck at daily open in New York midnight open? Yeah, I have twin sisters, 2 minutes apart. I think we don't use. Oh, okay. Yes, guys, twin sister. I showed the photo yesterday on stream. That's so nice, right? She doesn't trade, yeah. She lives in Belarus. She doesn't really speak English. Only Russian. This chap is ugly. ES just broke below 10 AM open, and Q just stuck at this level. So technically we have TJ. Oh, I said this word again. Are you here? I don't remember your name. So we can trap already on ES simply because we have TJF levels. Tanya is not my sister. It's like trading sister. Love her. She's basically a nice person. I'm talking about Tanya now. My sister as well, actually. Yeah, I don't expect to get like a lot, but our Lumi level still guys active. Let's see if we're gonna get this. 29,974.75. Ravzan, Razvan. Okay, did I pronounce this right? Just to make sure. You were trying to short ES? Come on! Pump to 29,974. So it wasn't me, it was my moderator, but probably you said something bad. I'm not sure I can say your name because I'm just trying to pronounce in my mind. It's hard. So it's potential for our change in the state of delivery. So I explained this like 10 or 15 minutes ago, why we want to see there. So moderators with blue names, guys. With blue names. Come on, one more push higher. So we can try to short this. Oh, sorry, my mic. Beautiful mic. Sorry about this. So first trade idea, in case it doesn't want to bounce higher on and Q gonna be here. Just in case it doesn't want to bounce once again to my key level, we'll look for short below 10 AM open. I don't like this, but probably we're not gonna have choice. That's for ES. I don't like this at all, simply because I feel like it's gonna be just from nowhere, even if it took Asia high, not low. $75.96 to 75.78. Thank you. Okay, I have trade ideas, which I absolutely don't like, simply because I believe in Q just trying to reverse from nowhere. I absolutely not fan of this. But in case it's gonna displace below 10 AM open, I have to give this a try. I would try to short somewhere from above 29,974 and 76.10 on ES. But once again, sometimes we have no option and we have to work with what we have at this moment. You got my plan, right? I'm gonna move this to the right simply because it's not valid yet. But it's gonna be... Damn. It's gonna be valid soon. If it's gonna break below 10 AM open. Ideally, once again, to go slightly higher, but once again... We will see. I want to see TGF. Normally, Friday tends to create high or low of the week. We have high of the week on ES, so technically we have SMT with NQ. I'm not fan of shorts, but I don't see reason to bounce like hard today, like go higher. We can go higher to create new high of the week on NQ as well. It's not a problem, by the way, but like doesn't really make sense. We have SMT, I believe that's more than enough. So let's see if this idea will work, but first we need to break below 10 AM open. And on ES, this one. Something like that, we will see. Risk on... Actually, risk not bad on both assets. It's not valid yet, so I'm gonna move to the right, so... Okay, let's see. We don't need to be in rush. It's 10:14, so it's time for good silver bullet. Also, like 50-point stop loss to make 120 points. Solid. Trying to be here. Gonna move to the left again. So started looking good. Let's see if we're gonna get entry. Let's see if it's gonna displace below the name open. I will try. Three for micros. And yes, maybe something like that. Trying to break below 10 AM open. Barely closed. Let's wait, guys, a little bit more. Oh, it's actually 2-minute chart. Never mind. We need on 3-minute chart. Not valid yet. Keep waiting. Just break below 10 AM open. I will try. We'll put my stop loss here. We'll partial at 9:30 AM open probably. Try and let's see if it's gonna be solid opportunity for us. Damn, looks good here. On ES doesn't really doesn't really look good, but damn, looks good on NQ. We'll short below 10 AM open. Let's see. I didn't want to trade today, honestly, but let's see. Not yet. 50 seconds left on this candle. I do like how it respects in New York midnight open, daily open, and equilibrium of previous weekly range so far. We do have SMT, but once again, I can only short below 10 AM open. That's all I know. Not valid yet. We'll trade this one. Let's see if it's gonna displace first. No, not yet. My entry possible only below 10 AM open, nothing else. I'm okay to like miss opportunity here, or somewhere else. Not valid, guys. Moving to the right again. Keep waiting. 40 minutes done, I can trade. Oh yeah. Still flat. Keep waiting. I will short below 10 AM. That's all I know. One more closure above this level. I would like to get like, you know, something like that. Let me show you. Maybe this one, I don't know. Like this one. That's displacement for me. And I will place my position around like 915, maybe 10. And it's gonna be this. So guys, what do you think? Chap, absolutely ugly. Let me open 5-minute chart on micro, yes. Damn, looks good. How many minutes left on 5-minute chart? 1. It's about to offer 3 minutes. Guys, I don't know, I really want to give this a try. I really want to give this a try. I don't know. See this done close. Let's see. I like it. That's all I want to say. I just entered. Yeah. Good risk here. I'm gonna partial. I mean, if it's gonna work, of course. Notifications. We got displacements that I was waiting for. Oops, not this one. Worth to try. Worth to try. $827, 50% of 5-minute week. Nice displacement below 10 AM open. We got 5-minute order block. We got 5-minute OB. Do I show executions? Yeah. 5-minute OB on ES. We trading. Damn, worth to try. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Worth to try. I call this equal bodies. 1 second, I'm gonna name this now. Equal bodies. At 856, all right. So once we hit this level, if it's gonna hit this level, who actually knows, I will trail by stop loss. It's definitely not partial for me. But once we hit this 29,856, I will trail. Let's see. I don't use like default amount of points for stop loss. I just trade the structure. Sometimes my stop loss is 100 points. Sometimes my stop loss 40 points. Sometimes my stop loss 3 points. I don't know, like really depends on structure. I just adjust my contracts for this. It will bounce. Where is first present fair value gap? I will trail after this level. Taken. I'm trailing to break even here. Guys, trail. My partial set at I can't see this. 29,840.25. Take partial there. I mean, you could take partial this equal bodies as well. Damn, I already hit my base hit, whatever. It's 100% break even for me because this one is like, I treat the same way as equal lows. So we just swapped liquidity level, if you can call like that. Let's see if it's gonna hit my partial. See this rejection? I mean, could be partial, but once again, I would try to trail to break even. Come on, can you drop to 20? It's really hard to pronounce this all the time. 29,840.25. It's here. Pink line. Oh yeah, okay, pink line. Gonna leave this like that. I want to see an attempt to reach 9:30 AM open. Damn, this... Absolutely hate this kind of candles. Yes, not following. But, you know, at the same time, see this how we're trying to respect these equal bodies? Damn, look at this week. That's funny. But I will take it. I mean, if it's gonna be break-even, it's gonna be solid break-even. ES entry... We don't have ES entry yet. Look at this candle. Damn, it's gonna be funny if it's gonna be break-even. Like, seriously, jokes aside, it will be super funny. Because it reversed 4 points away from TP. I love this volatility. Trump, where are you where you need us? Look at this wild... Like, guys, jokes aside, what the heck is this week? You got sniper exit. I wanted to see 9:30 AM open retest. On both yes and Q it failed. I'm gonna hold. I know like where I need to trail my stop loss. I'm gonna hold. If it's break even, we will re-enter later. Who is calling me on my WhatsApp? I don't know who is that. Whatever. I said I'm gonna short only at this place in below 10 AM open. Once again, I was just like, okay, not to be first seller. But market makers, explain please. Hit 29,840.25 for us. But that week was like... Let me check SPX. Both ES and NQ failed to take 9:30 AM open. I put my partial even like higher. How many points higher? I put my partial like 6 points higher. Wild. Sorry, guys. I cannot even treat this as a breakaway gap, unfortunately. This fair value gap, not breakaway gap. Ignore this dark color. I'm gonna change opacity here. Guys, it's fine. This is basically free trade. Closing simply because I see green numbers. It's not my style of trading. You know, sometimes let me share something. Sometimes when I trade like alone and my husband enters the room, he always see like green numbers, for example. When he see like I'm up, let's say $700 on my trade, he always say, close here. Like, why are you waiting for your TP? You're up $700. And because of this, man, I left lots of profit on the table. Like, seriously, guys. He always does this. Why don't you want to close your trade? You want to make like you want to make extra $100? What's the point? It's my account. Don't touch it. It's my account. Don't touch it. He literally did this yesterday. Saying like, I was up yesterday, like on my trade, break even here. I was up yesterday, like $800. He was like, why are you holding this trade? Just cut it. Break even here. Okay, waiting for another try. What the heck is that? Okay. Let's try to wait for another entry. I don't know like what to expect, honestly, but it was an amazing try for me. Textbook setup. Okay, cut it, break even. Oops. Oops. Actually, I made different amount of dollars on this account. From $7 to $30 because of different feel. Okay. I don't know what to expect then. Painful that didn't take my TP, but I will take it. Okay, all right. All right. I'm waiting for second try. What next, guys? We're going to my Lumi level first. Okay, let's delete this magnets because we're not in this trade. Gonna wait. I don't know what to expect now. I mean, this chap was predictable simply because SPX didn't have the gap. But I was like patient. I was waiting for 40 minutes to enter the trade. Where it's going? Look at the yes chart. Excuse me? Just asking. What is going on? Okay, I will wait. I don't like anything now. Yes, not tradable. It's my opinion, guys. Let's wait more for second try. 6:15. I mean, target is not the issue. Issue is where to enter this inside this chart. Maybe we're gonna hit my Lumi level first. See how we're holding below daily open, New York midnight open. I don't want to give the second try just yet, but I'm willing to try second time. This chap is... Guys, it's Friday. Don't destroy your day. Wait, okay? It's just like really such an ugly chap. Still holding below daily open. I don't know what to expect now. Account blowing per action. Hello? How are you today? Maybe NQ wants to hit like, I don't know, 30,000 first. Maybe. I don't know. Hard to say. Still staying below New York midnight open, daily open. Price action, not easier, unfortunately, but okay. We will be patient, it's Friday. Give me the trade, please. I'm gonna delete this now, because I'm not on this trade anymore. Yeah, maybe it goes to 974. Maybe. Yeah, let's see. Maybe I guess it wants to hit. Damn, this. What the. Like, I don't know how to describe this. Look at the yes. What is going on? Fuck it. Like, damn, what is going on? Go. Could. Trump, I was asking for you like long time ago. Where were you? What is going on? What was the point of that deep retracement? I don't understand this. That's it. These bitches stop us out at break-even and drop to RTP? Huh? Are you kidding me? Excuse me? I mean, guys, it's funny. That's it. That's all I want to say. Fuck, come on. On 1 minute chat, it looks damn so funny. Guys, it's our executions. Isn't that painful? Damn, it is. At least we were right. You didn't close at break-even? Oh. Well. Alright. Second try. Guys, forget about second try. We're not gonna take it. Power of Trump concept? Yeah. Well, guys, let's comment this. We wanted to short. We saw opportunity. We displaced absolutely, like, it was absolutely displacing below 10 AM open. What's the point of that deep retracement up to drop that hard? Of course, to stop me out on my SIM-funded account at break-even. Obviously. Well, I don't know. What just happened? Trump opened his mouth, so that's it. Go cook lunch. Nope, thank you. No, it's Friday. I'm super green on my account this week. I made like $700 on TPT yesterday during Asia. I don't mind break-evens. No, I do mind break-evens, actually. But, damn, it's painful sometimes. because I believe it was trade of the day. But guys, we killed this on this analysis. We did not kill this P&L because we got out at break even. But maybe we're gonna get another chance. Yeah, I don't mind stop loss, I mind break-even trades. But damn, it was obvious break-even in my humble opinion. Look at this week. Like, look at this week. Isn't that wild? Yeah. They saw win short and we trailed to break-even. They decided, like, let's stop here, and went to TP. Tanya was shorting as well? At least I'm not alone. You know, I feel like I don't want to trade at all today. Considering this volatility, I don't know. Let's see, guys. I'm gonna give this 10 more minutes. And if nothing is gonna be presented, I'm gonna log accounts. Guys, let's hit 500 likes. I will start giveaway for Take Profit Trader accounts. Let's hit 500 likes and I will start giveaway for 50k Take Profit Trader accounts. Another good setup may come once I lock account. Absolutely, it can come. Let me refresh the page here. Okay. Yeah, yes, you need to enter every single day. You just don't need to confirm this every single day, your email. Yeah. Link for entry. Yeah, guys, while you trying to hit the like button, I'm going to send you link for giveaway. So guys, I want to conclude our last 4 weeks in this market. Let's conclude this. If you're new on my channel, for the last 4 weeks, we were trading every single day. For the last 4 weeks, we took 5 losses. Everything else, same day we took sometimes 2 trades. We never ended for the last 4 weeks day red. So we took loss, we took win right after this. So far we're doing extremely good. So my month is super green. I hope it's gonna continue like that. So yeah, taking losses, nothing works 100% of the time, but I keep killing this. I do like this. Everything done on my YouTube for free on streams. We trade together, we take setups together, and sometimes we get in break-evens, sometimes we get in loss, but most of the time we get in W's. Which is nice, guys. I appreciate your support. Don't forget to enter giveaway, click the like button, and we will start now. Thank you. What next? What next? And let me actually read statistic. My husband showed me statistic yesterday. How to find this? Don't remember. So I do giveaways every single day, and what's that? So I started doing giveaways every single day since, I guess, December 2025, right? So total I did accounts, more than 300 accounts, which is value $70,000 for 7 months, which was good. So today we're gonna run TPT accounts, 2 50K accounts, TPT accounts. Daniel, don't forget to send me a message, by the way. Still a reminder for you. So yeah, every single day here, sometimes 10 accounts, sometimes 5 accounts, mostly 2 accounts. And let's hit 500 likes and we'll start giveaway. Today I'm gonna stream on Ninja Trader Live as well. Right after the stream. So guys, what is your plan for weekend? What are you gonna do on weekend? I'm so excited, but I have no idea what I'm gonna do there. We have we have kickboxing tomorrow at 11. Then we're gonna have ice skating class tomorrow. On Sunday we have hockey at 9 a.m. So what is your plan? I'm not mute. Should work. Nice. Gonna watch soccer, backtest, nice. Working, backtesting, nice. Thailand, that's nice. Your wife's birthday, say happy birthday to her for me. Lake tomorrow, but work on Sunday. Open house, nice. You will sell this. You know, someone asked me if he needs to backtest with 2026 data. It was like real last week. I said, forget about this. But honestly, like everything you backtest like in 2023, 2024, most likely not gonna work in 2026. Los Angeles. I'm gonna look at that. I live in Florida, but once again. Oops, closes by accident. Zillow, okay. Oh, 4,500 square feet. That's big. Damn, that's big one. Looks good. I love it. We're thinking about buying the house because we rent now. You know that everything that was, it's old, but it's good quality because how they build houses now with this quality, damn, that's horrible. We're looking something to buy in Boca, lots of old houses, but damn, quality is way better. Yeah, we have hockey there, of course. I just moved from Melbourne, by the way. Melbourne's next to Cocoa Beach. Just moved like 6 weeks ago. It's like 40 minutes from Orlando. I don't like Orlando. PlayStation 5? I mean, I don't play games, But my kids, I mean, I want to play games on my computer, but I feel so bad when I play games on my computer because it's like wasting of my life, of my time on this. I don't have PlayStation 5, but I have computer. New constructions, damn, it's such a bad quality. You know, like houses in North Carolina, since I lived there for 3 years, they were amazing. I like their like parks, houses, and prices on these houses, but damn, a bit boring there. Like a little bit boring there. You play puzzles well. Villa is like townhouse, right? Because we rent villa as well in Boca. Here's like near 2,000 square feet as well. We have 2 adults, 2 kids. You know, like when you have like less space, you don't have space to collect garbage, trash. So probably I don't want to buy a big house simply because, damn, it's gonna either look empty or I'm gonna buy lots of unnecessary stuff and I'm gonna just put this around, which gonna look like Rent in Florida not cheap, but once again depends on place where you live. Our rent is expensive because we are looking for good schools, but you can find like twice less. In India, no, never been there before. Yeah, they have belt system. My kid just got 1 stripe because they do jiu-jitsu as well. They do jiu-jitsu and they got first stripe. They were so happy. I don't think we have, by the way, I was in Tanya's studio in New York. Mine is a bit different because it's like dark panels here. Also, I bought this fake tree. I place my YouTube button there, and I have guitar behind me, and I have no idea how to play guitar, by the way. And by the way, I want to add something else. This one. It's like acoustic panels. Somewhere, I know, somewhere here. It's huge one. Oh, it's huge one. Same guitar, by the way. Look at the size, guys. Let me show you. How to where's camera? Where's camera? Where's camera? It's over here. Look at this size. I mean, I'm tall enough. It's huge one. And I have no idea how to... I'm left-handed person. I have no idea how to play. No. Guys, story. How I got this guitar. It was in North Carolina. Someone threw this away. And I found this. It's not... I bought this new chair like... 3 weeks ago. It's like new. It's just nice decoration, you know? So we live like 30 minutes away from Miami. Well, guys, I was trying to buy real trees. I gave this like 3 tries. It was dead like in 1 week and 2 weeks. So I decided to protect, I know, like nature from me, protect trees from me. And I bought fake one in IKEA. How to play guitar. Play any song. I'm gonna protect your ears from this. Gonna protect ears from this. How to enter giveaway. Link is here. You have 2 more minutes to enter giveaway. 50 plans now. What? One time you wanted to date. That's funny. After this chap, market is doing nothing. This was wild. Whatever. Guys, are you ready for giveaway? I mean, obviously you're ready. Why I keep asking this question? My husband from Belarus. He's just older than me. But yeah, he's from Belarus. Okay, guys. Let's run giveaway. This chair is nice. Super comfortable. We were shorting. I mean, we got out at break even. I'm actually up $30 on one account, another account $13, another 11, 11, and 7 because different spread. Well, first winner, are you here? You want TPT account. Probably gonna get this account on Monday since it's Friday. Let's see. Not here? Guys, usually I give a person 1 minute to claim his prize because like 5 seconds is nothing. Maybe he's late. So use a timer, like 18 seconds left. I will do next one. No? No? Always kind of surprised to see like why people enter giveaway and leave in the chat. Oh, you're here. Well. Was it your first reply? I see, guys. Okay. Okay. I missed you. He responded. Second winner. Here. Congratulations. We got 2 winners, 50K. Take profit trader accounts. So guys, next week I will run Tradify straight to funded, Lucid. Daniel, don't forget to send me a message, by the way. Legends. Maybe more TPT, and I will ask about alpha futures, okay? Not gonna promise about alpha futures, but gonna promise for other firms. So guys, to conclude, we absolutely killed this today. Almost killed. I'm gonna forget about break even, but trade idea was done so valid. This is how you want to use 10 AM open to frame your setup. We saw how AES broke below 10 AM open and Q broke below 10 AM open. With this placement, we tried to short. Once again, unfortunately, stopped out at break even, but idea was nice. From the very beginning, we placed nice short. Did not look for any long setup. We were waiting for move higher to short. We got TGF on ES. So I would say performance today, considering it's Friday and chat before, pretty much solid. So I'm gonna stream from 11:30 to 1 p.m. on Ninja Trader Live, just like right after this stream. MXM, may I ask you to send you link for Ninja Trader stream? If you're new here, guys, what? 1 second, guys. If you're new here, guys, welcome. I'm here every single day from 9 to 11 a.m. Gonna add Asia session streams in 2 weeks. Quick reminder, guys, if you want to get flash sales, Apex right now launch 90% off and only $59 activation fee. So technically your 50K account gonna cost $70. Personally, gonna recommend TPT, like from the bottom of my heart. Take Profit Trader is absolutely way to go. They have no payout caps. Once you're above the buffer, you can request any amount, like whatever you want. Just build the buffer and you're ready to go. 40% off, I believe, gonna end in next week, in the middle of the week. Same with Lucid, 40% off on their pro plan. So they remove daily loss limit there. MXM, did you send the link? Appreciate. And guys, TradingView 40% off. TradingView, once again, top 3 pro firms: Take Profit Trader, Lucid, TradingView. That's only pro firms I recommend for beginners. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely love them. I trade most of the time these 3 pro firms and Epics. And Alpha Futures, they run a flash sale 50% off on all plans. So guys, don't forget to join me at 11:30 a.m. on Ninja Trader Live. Let's look for... It's our second trade, right? Second trade on that stream. I hope we're gonna kill this there. If not, then not, guys. I'm gonna come back on Sunday. By the way, about Sunday, guys, I try to stream on Sunday as well at 5:45 p.m. So do market analysis, weekly outlook. We're looking for some setups. If you're new on my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe to. You don't want to miss. Sorry, you don't want to miss 5:45 p.m. stream on Sunday. If I'm not on stream, this means I'm really busy with my kids, but so far I have a plan to stream Sunday every single week. How to build the buffer. Take this slow, and I guess we can do a small lesson on Sunday how to build the buffer and how to manage the risk. I think so. So guys, I will see you just in 30 minutes on Ninja Trader Live. Ask questions there. If you forgot to ask something here, ask there. We will look for a second trade. Appreciate your support. Thank you for amazing week, another amazing week. We're here every single day to show consistency and consistent and profitable trading. See you guys in 30 minutes on Ninja Trader Live or on Sunday at 5:45 p.m. Love you guys. See you soon.